I want to explain why the given function has a 0 in the given interval. So we're looking for 0 on our given interval. So step 1, is f of x continuous? Do we have a continuous function? If we come over to f of x, we notice that's a quadratic, and yes, quadratics are continuous functions. So yes, it is continuous. So is 0 in our interval? That's the next step. We know by the intermediate value theorem that if 0 is in our interval, that means that f of a is less than or equal to f of c, which is less than or equal to f of b, and f of c equals 0. We want to know if 0 is in our interval. So now all we have to do is find f of a and f of b. So if we have f of a, we look over here, we have our interval a comma b. So f of a would be f of negative 2, which is equal to 5 plus 2 times negative 2 minus a negative 2 squared, which is equal to 5 plus negative 4 minus a 4. So that's 5 minus 8, which is negative 3. If we look at our f of b, f of 0 is equal to 5 plus 0 minus 0, which is 5. So now we have f of a equal to negative 3 and f of b equal to 5. So if we plug this back into our intermediate value theorem, we know negative 3 is less than or equal to our f of c, which is less than or equal to 5. And if our f of c is equal to 0, is it true that negative 3 is less than or equal to 0, which is less than or equal to 5? Yes. So that means 0 is on our interval. So how do we write this? We say that there exists a c in our interval such that our f of c is equal to 0. So there exists a c in our interval from negative 2 to 0 such that f of c is equal to 0. And how did we find that out? We used the intermediate value theorem.